Yo, what's up guys, Slingshot here, welcome to my channel. So today we are unboxing the DJI Mavic Air. Let's take a look inside. Got our prop guards, and then we've got our props. We're here to help. Thank you so much. On to the next box. You guys can see we've got the AC adapter for charging the controller as well as your batteries, and then inside we've got our different connectors for our cell phone. So inside here we've got extra joysticks. I'll show you how that works, as well as a converter from USB Type-C to micro USB. So we've got our USB 3 to USB-C. As you guys can see there, DJI, pretty awesome. We've got obviously the figure 8 cable, which is used to go to your AC adapter to power your batteries. Alright guys, so let's take a closer look at the Mavic Air controller. It's got some simple instructions here. Unfold the antennas and mobile device clamps, then attach the controller sticks. So this is obviously just a warning, can remove that. And then these are the antennas. We've got also another strap over here. Just pull that sticker off. It's basically your antennas. And as I mentioned earlier, so these are joysticks, and it's pretty straightforward. We'll pop it in here, and then we'll just turn it, clicks in, and then clicks in. Basically you're good to go. So another cool feature about this controller is that obviously when you're traveling, you can remove your joysticks. That's the one, and you'll remove the other one. And as you guys can see over here, this is where you can store it. So the moment we've all been waiting for, here it is, the DJI Mavic Air. Ta-da! I've obviously got the Onyx Black. It's got a matte look, as you guys can see. So these prop guards are fixed, not like the Mavic Pro. Obviously they designed it with fixed propellers because it'll basically give you more flight time. So I definitely want to check that out. Obviously you guys can see over here we've got some instructions. Unfold the rear arms downwards, or unfold the front arms forwards. So at the back we've got obviously powering it on and off, and then also remove the gimbal clamp before powering on. We've got the two sensors in front. We've obviously got the gimbal over here. Let's take that gimbal off and have a look at that beauty over there. So this is a 3-axis gimbal, exactly like the Mavic Pro. It also shoots 4K at 30 frames per second, as well as 1080p at 120 frames per second. At the back, like I mentioned earlier, we've got the battery, we've got also some sensors at the bottom, and then we've also got our two sensors at the back as well, which is pretty cool because it allows you to not crash if you are going forward as well as if you are going backwards. We've also got our USB connection as well as our micro USB card. The cool thing about this drone is that it has an 8 gig internal memory, which is pretty cool. Another cool feature which I love about this drone is that it has these funky landing gears. Well, that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed this video of me unboxing the DJI Mavic Air. I'm super excited. You should be super excited because the next video that you will be seeing is me flying the DJI Mavic Air for the very first time. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos. But for me, Slingshot, I'm out here.